updating your Hifive. So download the updater, find the GUI executable and run it. Please remember that this isn't official, so you could kill your Hifive, but it's unlikely. And as Tinker no longer support the Hifive, you can't use it anyway. So this will at least get you up and running again. Okay, it takes a minute for it to check the Hifive. This whole process is quite slow. Okay, so it's not found it. Let's just recheck. Okay, it's found it. So this one, obviously, at some point I've probably updated already, but you might have bootloader 2.39. You will certainly need to update the Wi-Fi, ESP32 stuff, and you might already have 2.69, but this is the one that we want. It will also, while we do it, it will update the J-Link software to the latest version. I'm going to erase the data on mine, and I'm going to just click Update All to latest. If you want to, you can choose specific updates, okay, but really just keep it simple. Update all and you'll get the latest versions. You might see some errors pop up. Say yes to the upgrades. You might see some errors pop up, but it will be fine. Just let it run through. Once it's done, it'll come back to this point. It'll take a minute to update everything. You can see there, look in the background, it's now doing the white, it's now flashing the ESP32. Okay, it's done that one. Restarting the ESP32. There's the bootloader going on. There's the latest version of MicroPython going on, and done. And it doesn't always update this screen after it's done the updates. It can do recheck current versions, and it will update all this to show you what the versions are. But once you've done that, you can close it. You can start PuTTY as an example. I think I'm on COM6, but we'll find out in a second, I guess. That wasn't COM6 then. Let's have a quick look. Get Device Manager open on my machine. It's just off screen, so just give me 1 second. So COM3 and COM4, because I've plugged in a new device. So PuTTY. Let's bring up COM4, and let's bring up COM3. So there's the two. Restart the Hifive, and you should get your shell. It'll say this was a bug at the time which was never resolved. It was a last minute update from version 68 to fix some bugs. So you'll see down here it says it's 69 with the dates 26th February 2021. So you're now running this screen here. This is the serial output screen. You tend not to use it. So I'll close those down. Now we have the latest version of MicroPython on our device.